How to remove margins in your Microsoft Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove the margins in your Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, open up your Word. After you open up your Word, you will need to open up the document. After you open your document, you will see the option called Layout on the top. Go to Layout. Now, after you on layout, you will see the margins option. That's where we want to go. Select margins and you will see different options. First is last custom settings. Second is normal, narrow, moderate, wide, and mirrored. Go to custom margins. Now here you can make a custom layout that is margin. Simply remove all and just make sure that you do 0 for this. So you can select 0 here. Make sure that all of this is 0 and you're basically done. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Now, as you can see right here, this is the preview for your document. As you can see, there is no margin here. Now tap on done and you're good. Now, as you can see, if you keep on typing, you will see that there is no margin available for this. So let me select all of these and change its size to make sure that the bottom is on 0 too. So let me change this size to 100 and there you go. So as you can see, there is no margin for this. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.